guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves once here again. So today I'm bringing to you a DIY mascara for sensitive eyes. Sometimes the mascara you buy burns the eye because of the chemicals in it. So today I'm going to show you an all-natural way of making your own mascara. Not only is it a mascara, but it's also going to help you grow your eyelashes longer and thicker. To start, you're going to need some activated charcoal powder. You're also going to need some pure virgin coconut oil. Then you're going to need some pure castor oil. You're also going to need some pure vitamin E oil. And finally, you're going to need an old empty mascara container. You should wash it very well. So to start, put your half teaspoon coconut oil in the container. Then add 2 teaspoonfuls of castor oil. Add about 6 drops of vitamin E oil. Then add a half teaspoon of activated charcoal powder. Now mix everything up to form a paste. Afterwards, transfer your mixture into the empty mascara container. This can really get messy sometimes. So now our mascara is ready. I'm just gonna try it now. So this is how it looks on me. It is natural and it doesn't irritate the eyes. It's also going to help you grow your own eyelashes. Okay guys, thanks for watching and do give it a try. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed. Give me a thumbs up, share this video, and until next time I'm going to see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.